Hello, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video is how to use Google Keep in Android. So Google Keep is a straightforward note-taking app from Google that incorporates plenty of useful features to manage your notes. It's available on Google Play Store, App Store, and web browsers. Many of the best Android phones also come with it pre-installed. Since the app is part of Google ecosystem, seamless integration with Google Drive is a given. Notes are automatically backed up and count toward your 15 GB of storage space. It's a great app if you're always jotting something down. So if you go to your Android phone, open the Google Keep app. Then here on the plus sign, you can tap create. You can have the title and your notes. And if you press the hamburger button on the upper left corner, you see the reminders, create new label, archive, deleted settings. And as you see on the lower left part, we have here the list. You can create check boxes in front of you. Then if you go back, you can create drawing. It's best for handwritten notes and sketches. You can also create audio. Here is a photo. You can take photo or choose an image within Google Keep. And here, the plus sign, a regular, create a generic text note. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!